Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Quillbot. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, the way that you can use this application is you can fix the grammar, rephrase or translate something. You can see here if you press on it, and you can just simply enter the text, and after that you will be able to um, fix the grammar or rephrase it to your liking basically. So it helps with punctuation, with grammar and stuff like this. Also, if you look at the tools at the bottom of the screen, you can just simply press on it and you can use here the paraphraser, the grammar checker, the AI detector and the translator. Now the translator is straightforward, you translate from one language to the other. The AI detector detects whatever that text has any AI influence or not. The grammar checker, just like I said before, you enter here a text and it will fix the grammar mistakes for you. And finally the paraphraser, you can use it in many ways. You can use in a fluency style, academic style, humanized style. You can see all of them down below, and it will paraphrase your sentences according to the style. You just have to select it here. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.